Welcome to Drone News Now. My name is Paul, and I have tragic news to share with you tonight. It seems a passenger jet has collided with a United States Black Hawk helicopter. Initial reports shown on social media site X showcase American Eagle Flight 5342, operated by PSA, with service from Wichita, Kansas, ICT, to Washington Reagan National Airport, DCA, has been involved in an accident, as read from a post on X by American Airlines. The FAA confirms tonight's collision near DCA involved 5342 and a U.S. military H-60. The helicopter was not broadcasting ADS-B data. AA-5342 was en route from Wichita to Washington, DCA, and was on final approach for runway 33 at an approximate altitude of 300 feet. Posted footage on X showcases the moment of the explosion near the Potomac River. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt told Fox News that President Trump is aware of the situation, adding that it tragically appears a military helicopter collided with a regional jet. "May God bless their souls," Trump said in a statement. "Our thoughts and prayers go out to the passengers and their families."